Hey guys, welcome back. Few days ago, it was just another lazy night. I was staring at my screen, scrolling through random stuffs, wondering what to build next. And I was not getting any idea. And suddenly an idea hits me. Something simple but cool. A project that lights up, ticks, and actually does something useful. I had built it before in my mind, but this time I wanted to actually make it real. Then I opened Amazon and started searching. Found the exact kit I needed. So before starting the video, subscribe the channel. Guys, you wanna see a cool tricks? Boom! Here it is. This is a cool DIY digital clock kit. And I built it myself. This isn't just a clock. It's a hand-on learning experience. So in this video, I will show you how I built it from scratch, step by step. So here all the components come with this kit. Now I will explain it one by one. The first IC we need is STC8G1K17. A bunch of resistors included. Second IC is DS1302. Then we need a small buzzer, a thermistor. This is a crystal oscillator for accurate timing. These push buttons are used to set the time. This is an LDR to adjust the brightness of the display. For 7-segment LED display will show the time in hours and minutes. And the last one is the custom PCB comes with this kit. So guys, you don't need to worry about the connection. This PCB comes with integrated circuit and you just need to solder it. Make sure you place the components in the correct orientation, especially the IC sockets. Now let's solder the push button switches. We also need a 8550 transistor. Then place it on PCB and solder it. Started soldering the smallest component first. Soldering can be tricky if you are new. Just take your time, make sure your joints are shiny and solid. Now I am placing the thermistors and soldering it. Then I am soldering the 7-segment display. Guys, I am soldering right now, so make sure you go and press the like button. And now finally our soldering part is done. And it's looking cool and clean. This kit comes with this transparent enclosure to make it portable and to look nice. And also you can see the components from outside and it is looking beautiful. So this is the battery to run the clock. Here it's the LDR and then the thermistor. And here are the switches to set everything, temperature, time, etc. So let's plug it on. And now it's the time for the moment of truth. Wow, it's working perfectly. The display lit up and the digits started running. Using these buttons, you can easily set the hour and minutes. It doesn't use microcontroller, so there's no coding. As you can see, now I am setting the year. The drawback is it takes a long time and you have to click every time to set the year and other things. Yes, it's hectic, but still it's very useful. Then I'm adjusting the month and the dates. Overall, this kit was fun to build and it's beginner friendly. And if you are looking for your first electronic project, I highly recommend you trying this. Now I'm adjusting the time. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and comment down below. And it will give me a motivation to bring lots of new stuffs to you. This clock kit also supports 12-hour and 24-hour format. This clock also comes with alarm, but you can set the alarm for 3 times only, not more than that. With the help of the thermistor, you can also see the temperature of your environment. Let's test the alarm. Now I'm setting that alarm for a specific time and waiting to see how it works. Also, you can set the display brightness manually. And here it is. The alarm is working fine. And this is the tone you can get from this clock. But you can't expect the sound will be very high. It's minimal, but it's good. So guys, how you like this clock must comment down below. Guys, you are watching my videos and forget to subscribe the channel. Your 1 subscribe gives me a huge motivation boost and helps the channel to grow. So I can keep making bigger and better content just for you. So alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned.